Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this phone number cannot be used by iMessage and FaceTime in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to send message or you want to try to use your iMessage or FaceTime, you see an error that your phone number cannot be used by iMessage or FaceTime. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your settings app here. Go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, just go back, go to VPN advanced management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, go to language and region, select region, and select your own country or region in which you are living. After selecting your region, just go back, and here you have to go to app section and just look for your app. Let's say I'm gonna select my messages app here. And here you just have to sign out from your messages app and then re-sign in. Let's say I'm gonna sign in again. And here you just have to scroll down, tap on the send and receive option, and then tap on your phone number or your mail address which you have entered. In my case, I'm going to select my mail address here. And you just have to try to sign out from your messages app or from your iMessage. And once you have signed out, you can re-sign in. So after re-signing, your issue must have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not to do that, you have to quickly press release volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to settings app, go to general, and here go to transfer or reset iPhone, and here just select reset and then tap on reset all settings, and then enter your iPhone passcode or verify yourself using your Face ID, and then you can easily reset all of your settings, or you can also reset your network settings. And after resetting your network settings, if there will be any network issue with your iPhone, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to go back, or you can try to use a different phone number, or you can also try to contact with the Apple support team to get official help. Now to contact with the Apple support team, you just open your Apple support app. You can easily install that app from your app store, or you can use Apple support web. Select iPhone from here, select the more option, and here just select FaceTime or iMessage. Let's say I'm gonna select messages app here, and just wait for the loading. Then tap on get more help, and then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.